guess by now most of us are aware that Russia has invaded Ukraine. This is really sad because there's going to be a lot of suffering. My thought and prayer are with the Ukrainian. And obviously, war and the uncertainty associated with war is definitely bad for the market. With the war going on, the stock market is going to suffer. Same thing with the crypto market. So let's take a quick look at Bitcoin to see what sort of impact and how low could Bitcoin possibly drop down to. You're looking at the daily chart for Bitcoin, and the data I have is to 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on February the 24th. To say that the chart does not look good now is definitely an understatement. After this retracement and then found support at 33,000, Bitcoin rebounded and ran all the way to almost 46,000. But since then, it started this pullback. Last week, it was trying to hang on to the support at 39.5, but then the prospect of war caused the price to break down. Today, after Russia officially invaded Ukraine, Bitcoin dipped all the way down to about 34,000. So now the question for us is, how would Bitcoin perform, let's say, in the short term within the next 24, 48 hours? And in the near term, how low could Bitcoin potentially drop down to, assuming if the war continues to drag on? Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. After Bitcoin tried to bounce back but get rejected at 39.5, the price very much broke down, and earlier this morning it dipped all the way down to about 34.3. We're starting to see some bargain hunting, buying support at this level. Bitcoin would likely retest this 36.2, but I do expect to see major resistance at this level, and most likely the price would retest 34.3. If there is no support, it will drop down and retest the prior low at 33,000. So I'm expecting within the next 24, 48 hours, Bitcoin would likely retrace and retest 33,000. Switch back to the daily chart. Now, I am expecting Bitcoin to continue this downtrend and retest 33,000, which is this prior low, within the next 24, 48 hours. Assuming if there is no support at this level, and assuming if the war continues to escalate, then we could potentially see a breakdown in price, and Bitcoin could potentially drop all the way down to 29,000. A breakdown from the 29,000, then we're looking at the full impact of this head and shoulder pattern. And the technical target for this breakdown of this head and shoulder pattern could potentially take the price to as low as 24,000. So right now, everything is looking bad. Bitcoin is under tremendous selling pressure. And when Bitcoin drops, the whole crypto sector follows. But the market is very resilient and it will bounce back. So for now, just hang tight. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content, and if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications.